Do you want to try to hold it one more time? And just see?
No.
Here, just try. It's called a robot. It's just a toy. You want to try to hold it?
I'm going to hold it.
I'm holding it. Do you want to hold it for a minute?
I'm going to hold it.
Here, why don't you take it and hold it for a second?
No. I'm going to hold it.
Why don't you want to hold it?
I'm going to hold it.
It's just a toy robot.
It flies.
Here,
Science.
here, just hold it for a second.
Hold it.
Just for a second.
Hold it.
Do you want me to put it on the ground?
Table. Table.
On the table?
Yeah.
Well, why don't we put it on the ground?
No.
So we.
No.
It's okay, Amelia. It's